Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing? Happy Friday to you. Been doing this all day. It's a little warm down here, but can't complain about weather in Southern California. What we have here is a really cool, pretty lady that's been printed on a canvas type material. So it's a complete looking artwork. If you can take a look at some of the light that I got there, you can see how it's been printed on. And it's in this beautiful vintage frame. So if you're into any type of vintage art and want something in your background, in your collection, this would be perfect for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.